Good morning friends. Today we discuss how to generate random numbers using for loop. For that purpose I just go to the block diagram window. Over here you have to just go to the structures. Over here we have for loop structure. So you have to just drag and drop. As you see in the for loop we have one iteration, or you can say loop iteration. It will start from 0 to up to n minus 1. This is the loop count. So for the random number generation I just go to numeric palette. Over here as you see random number, it will generate from the values from 0 to 1. Okay, so I just again go to the block diagram window. Over here you can see this is my indicator. I just increase the size of this indicator and I just connect this, and over here I just create a control. So how many times my loop will run, it will decided by this loop count. Okay, I just place a delay or 100 milliseconds delay so that the number will run slowly. So right now I just place 10, so my for loop runs 10 times. As you see over here it will run fast, so I just change it to 100 milliseconds. It is equivalent to 1 second. So as you see total 10 numbers are generated by random number over here. So using this way you can generate random numbers using for loop. So over here in numeric palette in 2020 version of LabVIEW we have random number of range also. Like over here as you see it is over here it require the upper bound limit. Over here it is the lower bound limit, and again it will generate values. You can change its formatting also. You can change it DBL, integer 64, unsigned number 64. Okay, right now I just change it to DBL, or I just change the representation also to the DBL. So as you see I just take another number, connect it. Over here you can set the values, upper bound limit and lower bound limit. So I just set it 10, so the values will be in between 10 to 100 in this case. As you see 69, 68, 17. So if you want upper bound and lower bound limits, in that case you can use this function, this random number function. Okay, it has DBL, unsigned 64 and integer 64. Okay, so using this way you can use for loop for generating random numbers. Thank you.